What's up, team? It's Tiara B, naturally, and in today's video, I'm excited to share a few products with you from YANIBEST, and they have sponsored this video, so shout out to you, YANIBEST. I appreciate you. Let's jump into this packaging because I'm excited to see what they sent me. I got two packages. Here's one. Okay. It says, wake up and be radiant. Yes. So there's the company name right there. Okay, so we'll look at that in a second. I've got another one, so let me see. Oh, nice. Okay, here we go. Two different packages there. And this one says shine on. Got my little label there. Okay, so I've got the YANIBEST Satin Bonnet, Silk Bonnet, Sleep Cap for women, hair care, adjustable, knotted, turban hat for curly natural hair. So that's what this is. This one I believe is a bonnet. Yeah, this is the satin bonnet. This says satin bonnet for black women. Okay, so let's get into it, shall we? Okay, so open it up. I like the packaging. This is the fanciest packaging I've ever seen for a bonnet. So let's just get into it. Okay, let's see it together, y'all. Let's see. I forgot I did tell them what colors I wanted. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite color, y'all. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at this. The quality. Okay, so I love that it's flat here. So get the edges laid and still protect the curls. And then it's got the strings here. Wow, this is very nice. It's got their label here. And here's the inside. So it's double-sided. Although, let me see. But you can tell this is how it's supposed to go though, because it lays flat this way. Yeah. So let's see if this thing fits over my big curly hair. Okay. Tuck it. Oh, let me take the glasses off. Okay. Oh, that's cute and it fit. That's crazy. Yeah, I got coverage in the back. I would just take it, bring it up here. Oh, this is so stretchy and soft. This material is amazing. And just tie it. And put a little bow. That is so cute. I love it. Yes, oh my gosh. I'm going to give y'all a discount code. If y'all loving this bonnet and y'all want to get your hands on one, I'm going to put a discount code for y'all on the screen and in the description with the link. So check it out. And yeah, so let's check out the other one. Hey, before I do, they gave me a little card. Oh, this is care instructions, y'all. They really care. Okay, let's see. So you hand wash or machine wash on cool water on low, gentle settings. Satin can be hand washed with cold water, gentle soap, and it should be laid flat or hung dry. It says the satin should not be twisted or contorted while it is wet because it may set permanent wrinkles in the fabric. Instead, squeeze the excess water with a towel, then air dry. Okay, nice, very nice. Let's check out the other one. Shine your natural beauty from inside and out. Come on, inspiration. Okay, let's check this one out. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Okay, let's see. Yes, so this one I got black. Oh, look, y'all, they gave me a scrunchie to go with it. I love scrunchies, right? Okay, care instructions here. And then the black one is a turban. I got this because my granny used to wear a turban and I miss her and I wanted to have a turban like she used to have. Yep, so let's see real quick. Hold please. Okay, so for the turban, I had to show y'all my natural hair because right now it's in a twisted style and with the big hair, the wig I had on there, the turban didn't seem to fit inside there. So this is more so if your hair is back in braids or and twist like my hair is, it'll be perfect. And you could just throw it on like this. And the turban is actually adjustable. Hold on, let me show you. Let me show you how before I put it on good. So see, it's adjustable here. So it's a flat adjustable band there. So yeah, so you put it on. I didn't have to adjust it. So far it's nice and comfy. And then you want to put it how you want it to go. And you can have it as far up as you want. You can leave some edges out if you like. Edges aren't done, but if you wanted to, you know, swoop them up with some edge control or something. My edges don't want to be controlled right now, but you get the gist. But yeah, put it on. It's fully covered. That's how the back looks. Yeah, it's super soft and smooth. If you're using it just to go to bed, you can cover everything up. Shoot, even your ears if you want. Take these earrings off. But yeah, I am just getting off work, so I wanted to record this video real quick, see what YANIBEST sent me, and get ready to call it a night. But I absolutely love these products. The texture is amazing. Very soft, very smooth material. There's their label right here on the back. Okay, so it's reversible, but if you don't want the tag sticking out, if you're actually gonna go out, yeah, there we go. Yeah, I think I had it the wrong way. But yeah, so if you actually want to go out, make sure you put the tag on the inside. But nonetheless, this is super cute. And I'm grateful for my little scrunchie to go with it. But yeah, I think out of the two, I definitely love the burgundy one better because I'm a little biased. It's my favorite color. But it's not adjustable as far as like the strap, but it's very flexible in the back. And then you can definitely use this extra material here to tighten it how you need it. So perfect bonnet. This is really, really nice. This is one of the nicest bonnets I've ever seen. So yeah, if you guys want to check it out, I will leave a link in the description for you. I'm gonna try this one on my regular hair and see how it looks. Oh yeah, still fits. Still fits just fine. Yep. So, yep. Put my twist in there. Anywho, yeah, so comment down below. Let me know what you think, if you like it. I love how silky and soft and smooth the material is. I'm going to get a good night's sleep. Get ready for bed and do my nighttime routine and everything and get some rest in my new bonnet. Comment down below if you guys like it. Big shout out to YANIBEST for sending me these products and sponsoring this video. I will leave a discount code for you guys in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Listen, I'm Tiara B, and I am out. Blessings!